How to save a trip on Expedia. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we'll discuss on how to save a trip on Expedia application. So if you're having trouble saving your trip, don't worry, we're here to help. So just follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Expedia application on your mobile device and you're also signed into your specific account. Now, you can plan and book your trip as usual by selecting your preferred flights, hotels, cars, and activities. Once you've finalized all the details of your trip, go to the trips section to review them. Click on the trips in the bottom of the screen, and after that, click on the heart icon to save your trip. This option will allow you to save your trip for future reference as well. So by saving it, you will easily access it later to make modifications or proceed with the booking when you're ready. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can save a trip on Expedia. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.